Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting concept which is membership operators. Membership operators are basically used in order to check whether a value is present in a sequence or not. When I say sequence, it can be list, it can be tuple, set, dictionary, or maybe a string. Okay, we have two different membership operators. One is in operator, another one is a not in operator. In operator will return a true if value is found in a sequence, otherwise it's going to return a false. Not in operator will return a true if value is not found in a sequence. If it's present, it just returns a false. Let's take an example. Let's say I have a list like, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, now I just want to check whether 20 is in A or not. So usually how do we check? We know that whether 20 is present or not, but how do you ask Python to check it? Very simple. So call a value which you want to check it, and let's use in operator. I'll just say like 20 in A. It's going to return me true because 20 is present in a list A, right? So other way around, you can also say, if I say 20 not in A, you know what happens? It's going to return me false because 20 is already present. Okay, similarly, you can also try with a tuple as well. Let's say you have a tuple of elements, like you have some text, okay, A, B, C, and you have a D. Let's say my question is I just want to check whether Z is present in B or not. So clearly Z is not in B, right? It just gives me false. So let's say I want to check whether A is in B. So it's going to give me true because A is present. Or if I say Z is, or if I say Z is not in B, you know what it's going to give? It is like true because Z is not available in B, right? Great. You can also try with a text, some string kind of thing. Let's say, I'll say like SQL is easy. I just want to check whether SQL is present or not. I'll just say like SQL is, sorry, I'll just say like SQL is present in text. So it says like true, it's present. What if I say Python is in text? It says like false because Python is not present. Just understand, if I say SQL not in text, so clearly SQL is present, but I'm saying SQL not present in our text. It gives me false. Or if I say Python not in text, that's going to give me true because Python is not available in our text. So this is how membership operator will work. In operator will return a true if it exists. Not in operator will return a true if it doesn't exist, and vice versa. Okay. So this is all about membership operators that you have to remember. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.